Today we talk about how can you select sounds uh, on your Skull Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Skull Planner app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. We just click here in this sign. Sorry, you click here in this sign here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications. When you just click here on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on sounds and vibration. Just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to sound, click on it here. So then here can you select here sounds indices on your Skull Planner app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.